Okay, let's start from the beginning. Sorry about that. All right, next we're going to do 1415 Upper Deck the Cup single box break, number 82. Some of you either bought through eBay through auction or through direct purchase for a team select, and some of you purchased through the website. Current date and time, Monday, January 11th, 2016 at 4:22 Pacific time. All right. Serial number. Come on. Seriously? Oh, there we go. 4130 last four. All right, good luck, everybody. Okay, good luck. First card for the Edmonton Oilers, 121 of 249, Ryan Nugent Hopkins. And now we have a redemption for the Boston Bruins. Rookie auto patch, numbered 156, numbered to 249, David Pastrnak. For the Montreal Canadiens, gold auto, numbered to 5, 3 of 5, Vincent Damphousse. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, signature patches, 23 of 99, James Van Riemsdyk. For the Detroit Red Wings, signature patches, 88 of 99, Thomas Jurko. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, auto patch, 191 of 249, Greg McKegg. Okay, congratulations everybody who got some hits today. Don't forget, register at the website, tripleplaysc.com. Got 3 breaks posted right now. Trilogy, half case break of Ultimate, and a cup case break. Good night, and thanks for joining Triple Play Case Break.